Hi everybody, welcome to week 2, module 2. This week we're going to be focusing on honor, leading with integrity, humility, and empathy. So after you have gone through the readings in the module, you will do 2 assignments again. There is an optional activity if you want to learn more about empathy. Brene Brown is a great leader in this space. So first of all, you look at honor and integrity, and we've got a link for a reading, video, and that is the basis for your discussion board. So take a look at, share one thing, take a look at the video, share one thing you've learned from the video or from this topic and share it on the discussion board, and then respond to other posts as well. Looks like some people are already in there doing that work. Second part of honor is leading with humility. This is one of my favorite areas. We've got a couple of different videos and some reading. And then your assignment, your second assignment, your written assignment. So this is just for you and I. So write a short reflection using examples on pick one of these questions. Have you experienced instances where someone demonstrated integrity, humility, or empathy? What did it look like? What did it mean? Or thinking about the challenges of living with integrity, humility, and empathy. Which is the easiest? Which is the most difficult? And what might you have to do to be able to live these ways? So let me know if you have any questions. I'll be in and grading your assignments from the first module. Have a good